Welcome back to Everything Else Australia. If you are new here, hello and welcome. Today I want to change my mower blades, and I try to get them on these rams. So I have 4 rams. 2 are a little bit lower. The red ones are a bit lower. The front tires are smaller as the back tires. So I try to lift it with my hands. Trying to. Well, let's see how that works out. Alrighty, let's start. Well, the first thing, I lift the front part, of course with my hand. See how that works out. Alright, now we do the back part. I lift it again with my hand. This part is a bit easier, and this is my wife Pam.
Hello.
And she will help me to push the rams underneath the tires. Alright, let's start. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Good. Oh, I think I'll do that right. A bit more. Yeah.
Hang on.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Alright, that lifting has been worked out good. You wonder why I did that? Because now I have free space in the middle. Like there, you know. Nice workspace. Alright then, let's start with the change of blades. Alright. Beautiful workspace. That's that stuff here. I spray this on everywhere. Oh, on top of it. I'll let soak that in for a while. And now we try this side. I put a bit on that stuff on for now, but yeah, let's hope she comes out. Oh, that was easy, see? That was an easy one. That's the old blade. Broken, here broken, there broken. A bit of dirt. Okay, I will change this blade now. Put the new one on. Why that? Well, they should fit, but something is not right here with the... I'm talking about these things. They are damaged. They are too big now. Somehow they are damaged. I don't know why. And they are much... I have to open them a bit more on the ends because the damage has done them a bit bigger. You know what I'm talking about, these things here. I tried to remove the other blade first and see what happened there. If I can get this open now. Let's see. Okay, let's try it. Look at that. Unbelievable. That was nothing. I have to try a bigger piece. Okay, now I got a stronger piece. And let's try it again. I think she lost. She lost the fight, I think. Yes, she did. Easy. Now that fits perfectly. So this side is good. This fits perfectly into the gaps. I only would tie them up with your hands. I wouldn't over tie them because there's no point. They won't lose. So for me it's enough. Oh, this one is done. Now the other side I have to modify a little bit. So we're talking about these sides here, the holes. I have to make them a bit bigger because somehow the other side got damaged on the mower. They're all a bit bigger. I don't know how that happened. Anyway, I have to make them bigger, then they fit in the gaps. I will do this probably with a drill. Try to open them a bit more and see how that works out. Okay, I got my drill ready. And now I try to open them a bit more, just like that. I'm pretty sure that should be enough. You can see this, I don't know. Well, here you can see it better. They're a bit bigger now, so they should fit fine. Hopefully. Otherwise, I don't know what I have to replace. probably the part inside the mower. We'll see. What I want to mention is, if you put them on, make sure their faces upwards. So let's hope that fits now. Let's see what happened. Well, it looks alright. I still will give it a punch with a hammer to make sure it's 100% underneath the, or in the star thing formation, or what you call that. See how much is still coming in? Crazy. Let's try another one. Yeah, still not properly in, see? Another one. Oh, that'll do. Oh. Well, that's it. Problem fixed. Normally not happening. Normally just screw off, blade on, screw back on and done. But these things can happen, so that's how you fix it. Kinda. Alright, let's see if it's all working properly. Alright, now we have to remove it again. Hand lifting. My assistant. You alright? Thank you. Just change camera over for the front. Okay, now the front again. The whole thing about 200 kilos, the whole lawnmower. So the engine is the most heaviest thing. So let's put it down again. I just lift it with my hand this time. It's not too bad, really. I think that was the easiest way for me. Alright, that was the lifting done. Let's see if both blades are turning now. Sure. Excellent. Okay, let's test it out, how the blades work. Alright guys, we got this sorted. Everything is working fine now. Blades are working. And yeah, that's how you change blades with problems. Alright guys, thanks for watching. And may I mention my new video will be about the table saw, Osito. Anyway, this will be the next project for me, to put this together and make some cuts with it. Alright, that's my next video. Yeah, please leave a like, and if you like, subscribe to my channel for more. And yeah, don't forget to like the video, it helps me. Thank you very much guys for watching, and hope to see you next time. Bye bye.